All right, let's look at example 3 from 8.8. Now the book is giving you 3 locations: a train station, a zoo, and an art museum. Example 3 actually asks you to find from the train station to the zoo. That's boring because the train station is at the origin, 0, 0, which makes it pretty easy to find the distance anywhere because all you have to do is know the coordinates of the other point, and those are the differences. So I'm actually going to make this more interesting and do the art museum and the zoo. So the art museum is at -3, -5. The zoo is at -5, 2. So I need to take these points and I need to do my distance formula. So I'm going to need, well, I'm going to write it out up here. Difference of my x's. I'm going to go with the zoo as the second point. So that's -5 minus -3. I'm going to square that. Plus the difference in my y's, 2 minus -5. And square that. I'm going to end up taking the square root of the whole thing is going to be the distance between the zoo and the art museum. Well, -5 minus -3 is -2. 2 minus -5 is 7. Now, this negative doesn't matter. That's why the absolute value from distance on a line wasn't included, because we're squaring it. And if you square it, even if this is a negative, it's going to become a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. So, right now I've got distance equals root of -2 squared plus 7 squared. Well, -2 squared is 4. 7 squared is 53. I'm skipping ahead. That's 49, of course. You got to know your perfect squares, by the way. It makes this a whole bunch easier. This is 53, and as it happens, 53 is a prime number, so I can't simplify this, which means the distance from the zoo to the art museum is just root 53.